Push bin. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup flour. 2. Half a teaspoon salt. 3. Half a teaspoon baking powder. 4. 1/4 cup yogurt, or water for kneading. 5. 1 tablespoon olive oil, small blue diamond, for the topping. 1. 3 tablespoons pizza sauce. 2. Mozzarella cheese. 3. Sliced olives and bell peppers. 4. Any extras you like: mushrooms, pepperoni, chicken. Hourglass instructions: 1. Mix flour, baking powder, salt, yogurt, and oil until you get a soft dough. 2. Roll out the dough in a non-stick pan over low heat. 3. Add pizza sauce, cheese, and toppings, then cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts. 4. Slice it up and enjoy the tastiest quick pizza. Romantic face. Slice of pizza.